Hey folks, this is Aslan-Law. So today we're going to be doing a classic Turkish mezze dish, an appetizer dish or a summer spread dish. I'm going to show you two ways of doing it: a full eggplant stuffed, as you see, as well as little discs of eggplants topped with a filling. You'll find the full recipe, the ingredients, the tutorial on linsfood.com. Just click on that link you see. So the ingredients: we're going to need some eggplants, onion, garlic, bell peppers, and a small handful of parsley to finish off, some olive oil, chopped tomatoes, sun-dried tomato paste, my secret ingredient in so many recipes, and totally optional, a handful of roasted tomatoes. Some oregano, a popular Turkish herb, some sweet paprika, some salt, and some sugar. So the first thing we're going to be doing is making our eggplants look like zebras. Peel them, as you see there, creating stripes. And then taking a sharp knife, cut a slit in the middle, creating a pocket. And for the discs, all we're going to be doing is slicing the eggplants in rings, in little rounds. And then we get a large bowl of cold water, squeeze half a lemon into it, a heaped tablespoon of salt, and we just dunk our eggplants in them. They're going to float to the top. So you're going to need to weigh them all down with a little plate. Place your chopped tomato can over them to weigh them down. Then heat some olive oil and let's fry our vegetables. We start off with the onions and the bell peppers. Cook for a full 5 minutes to let them soften. Lower the heat down if your onions are browning too quickly. Then we add some garlic. Cook the garlic for a minute, and then everything else goes in: the chopped tomatoes, the sun-dried tomato paste, the paprika, and the oregano. Mix it all up, stir it, then we add our salt and our sugar. Once again we stir it. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. If you find that it's getting too dry, add a little bit of water. As I said, full recipe on linsfood.com. In the meantime, we're going to be browning our eggplants, as you can see in the video. Same thing with the eggplant discs. You can see that unlike traditional recipes where a whole lot of olive oil is used, I'm trying to keep the olive oil to a minimum. So we're using a non-stick pan. Non-stick pans allow you to use only a touch of oil. So when the filling has had 20 minutes, we're going to cook the eggplants further. So we place the eggplants in the filling and we cover, heat on low, and simmer once again. And when that's done, very, very gently lift the eggplants out, place them in a baking dish. The eggplants are going to be very soft at this stage, so be gentle. Using spoons, prise the eggplants open and start filling them. And also turn your oven on before you start doing this, 280 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. So using 2 teaspoons, start filling the pockets. Let them overflow if you want to. The more filling, the tastier it's going to be. So because the canapé discs are small, the eggplant discs are small, we want rather our filling to fit on them. So we're going to snip that filling with a pair of scissors before we start topping the aubergine slices. And then just pile the extra filling all around the eggplants so that it can bake along, and you know, when you are eating it, when you are serving it, people can help themselves to any extra filling if they fancy it. So we cover the eggplants, both the discs and the whole eggplants, with foil, and we bake in the oven for another 45 minutes. Remove the foil after 20 minutes to get a dryish, slightly crispy topping. And then you finish off with some finely chopped herbs. That's it. Perfect, served as a starter on a small bed of salad as well. Full recipe, linsfood.com.